There are several countries that are well known for their expertise and leadership in the field of automation. Here are some of the top options. 1. United States. The US is home to some of the most prestigious universities in the world, including MIT, Carnegie Mellon, and Stanford, which offer excellent programs in automation, robotics, and artificial intelligence. Many top tech companies, such as Google, Amazon, and Tesla, are also based in the US, providing opportunities for internships and employment. 2. Japan. Japan is a world leader in automation and robotics, with many of the world's top robotics companies based there. Japanese universities, such as Tokyo Institute of Technology and Kyoto University, offer top-notch programs in automation and robotics, and there are many opportunities for students to work on cutting-edge research projects. 3. Germany. Germany is known for its advanced manufacturing industry, which relies heavily on automation and robotics. Many German universities, such as the Technical University of Munich and RWTH Aachen University, offer strong programs in automation, mechatronics, and related fields. Germany is also home to many of the world's top automation companies, such as Siemens and Festo. 4. China. China is rapidly becoming a leader in automation and robotics, with many Chinese companies investing heavily in these technologies. Chinese universities, such as Tsinghua University and Zhejiang University, offer strong programs in automation and robotics, and there are many opportunities for students to work on research projects with Chinese companies. 5. South Korea. South Korea is another country that is heavily investing in automation and robotics, particularly in the fields of manufacturing and healthcare. South Korean universities, such as Seoul National University and KAIST, offer strong programs in automation and robotics, and there are many opportunities for students to work on research projects with Korean companies. Ultimately, the best country to study automation depends on the individual's interests, career goals, and personal circumstances. It is important to research and compare different programs and opportunities before making a decision.